Are less common HTTP methods useful in API design? Imagine you're building an API that needs to do more than just create, read, update, or delete data. Sometimes, you need to do special tasks that the usual methods can't handle. That's where less common HTTP methods come into play. Most APIs relying on the core methods like get, post, put, patch, and delete. These cover the basics of retrieving, creating, updating, and removing resources. They're simple, well understood, and supported everywhere. But what about the other methods? They might seem unnecessary at first, but they can add real value when used correctly. For example, options is a handy method that lets clients see what actions are allowed on a resource. It helps clients avoid making invalid requests. Head is similar to get but only fetches headers, which is great for checking if a resource has changed or for getting its size without downloading everything. This can save bandwidth and speed things up. Trace is mainly used for debugging. It echoes back the request so developers can see what is being received by the server. Connect is used to establish tunnels, often for secure connections through proxies. These are rarely needed in typical API operations, but can be useful in specific cases. Then there are custom methods like patch, which allows partial updates. Instead of sending the entire resource, you can just send the fields that need changing. This makes updates faster and more efficient. In most situations, sticking to the main methods makes your API easier to understand and maintain. But adding options like options and head can improve how clients interact with your API. They give more control and help optimize performance. Just remember, using less common methods should be intentional. Document their purpose clearly so clients know when and how to use them. Overusing or misusing these methods can cause confusion or compatibility issues. In the end, these less common HTTP methods are tools to make your API more flexible and efficient. They are useful when they serve a specific purpose, like discovering supported actions or checking resource metadata. For backend developers aiming for clarity and simplicity, focusing on the core methods while thoughtfully incorporating the others can lead to a well-rounded API.